All right, guys, doing an oil change on a, this is a 2021 Honda CRF 110F. This is the fuel injected one, but this should be the same procedure for most of these bikes. There's no oil filter. All we're going to do is basically drain and refill the oil. Here's the oil fill, and the oil drains right under here, 17 millimeters. So we're just going to get a 17 millimeter socket, a drain pan, open that up, let it drain out, and then we'll be able to put oil in. It's about 1 liter or just over 1 quart, 1.1 quarts in there. All right, 17 millimeter socket right there. There is a little protective guard in front of that, and counterclockwise here. Just going to drain it into this pan here, and then I'll pour it into my oil. Okay, you want to have gloves on. As soon as I pull this plug out, it's going to get oil everywhere. Yeah, we're just going to take this little fill plug off. Go ahead and pull that out. It is kind of like a dipstick, measures the oil level too, so we can kind of clean that off. And the O-ring, make sure you get the O-ring. The O-ring can come off on that, so we just want to clean that area off right there. All right, one thing I'll do also is I'll take it off the kickstand, just set it up straight so that way all the oil can kind of drain out of this. All right, we got our drain plug here. We got our new crush washer here. We're just going to put that on there, and we're going to thread this on. It's done. It's probably been about 10 minutes, and I've kind of leaned the bike back and forth so we got all the oil out of it. So we're just going to tighten that back up. All right, we're going to tighten this down to like 12 foot-pounds. Got our clean funnel. We're just going to put that in there. You need like a small opening funnel. Put that in here. And then we're going to pour in our oil here really carefully. 1.1 quarts. So it's 1 liter. We're using the 10W40. This, we're going to put our dipstick kind of fill plug back in here. There's a little mark here. There's like an X right here. That's where we want the oil level to be. So we're just going to put this in there. We're going to run the bike a little bit, and then we'll check the oil level, make sure it's good. And if everything's good, we're good to go. We just use a flathead screwdriver to tighten that down. So that's nice and tight. We can start it up, take it for a spin. All right, we're going to start this up, take it for a quick spin here. To start these, there's just a key here, and you want to make sure it's on the on position. And then this is the kill switch. You can see the kill switch is on, so we want to make sure that's down. Kill switch is off. And we got a green light here. That means that we can start it. These also have a Kickstarter as well, so if the battery dies, you have a Kickstarter, which is pretty convenient. All right, it does need to be in neutral to start it. Okay, neutral is just all the way down. So you just press the gear shifter all the way down, and then first, second, third all are just up. Usually we ride it just in second gear, but you can just, there's no manual clutch, it's an auto clutch. All right, let's pull this kickstand up. All right, take it for a spin. All right, we're going to check the oil level now. We unscrew this, so what we want to do is we want to just see what the oil level is without it all the way screwed down. That's how we're going to check that. Yeah, no, we want to look at it. So the oil's covering those X's there, so it looks like the oil level's good, so we can put it back in. All right, guys, so that's the oil change procedure. Really simple. It's really just drain and refill, basically just over 1 liter of oil in this. You want to do it frequently just because there's no oil filter, so the oil can get dirty quickly. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.